Corn and wheat futures getting a lift following USDA's grain stocks report. Michelle Rook has a closer look at what these numbers mean going forward in markets now.
Grains ending mixed on Monday after the reports, with corn and wheat to the plus side, soybeans lower. Chip Nellinger is joining us. And Chip, let's talk first of all about corn. 1.76 billion bushels quarterly stocks. That was actually a little friendly. How friendly was it, and why could we not close above 425 on beef?
Yeah, definitely friendly, Michelle. I mean, that was down, almost 90 million bushels below the average estimate. At face value, very friendly, showed increasing usage. But I think at the end of the day, it was more technical and money flow. Last trading day of the month and quarter, I think we saw a lot of fun buying, especially in corn, from the funds who are coming out of what has been a pretty large position. After today, they should be under 100,000 contracts net short. And so at the end of the day, I think we got up into some target levels there at, 425, 427. December achieved some targets to the upside, saw some increasing farmer selling. And so at the end of the day, I think it was more about money flow and fun buying than it was about this stocks report.
And soybeans, neutral report, but we set back because we do have some rains and some rain chances for Brazil. Was that part of it?
I think that was a large part of it. Not much there really for the Bulls or the Bears on the stocks report, about in line with expectations. Maybe a little better chance of rains than what Brazil has faced really for the last month or so. That's a week out, so that could change 10 times between now and next week. But right now, the way it looks, they have their best chance of meaningful rainfall in some of those dry areas of northern Brazil than they have for many, many weeks. That's now next week, midweek next week. And so the market's going to hang on that very closely. If they start receiving better rains, then they're going to really advance their planting pace very quickly. If it doesn't rain or they take rain out of the forecast, could be explosive to bean prices. So it's full-fledged weather market in the case of beans.
And not much in the reports for the wheat market to fodder on. And so we did end higher. Was that just some short covering because it was end of the quarter?
Yeah, I saw some further confirmation over the weekend of 12, 14-year low production in European wheat. That might be an excuse. At the end of the day, I think it was a lot like the corn market. Funds coming out of some shorts here at the end of the quarter.
Thanks so much, Chip Nellinger, Blue Reef Agro Marketing. We'll have more AgDay coming up.